What's up, everybody? Welcome back. It is your natural nail guru Tati, and today we're going to be talking about LED gel curing lamps, $20 to $250. I have tried several of them. I have reviewed a few of them for YouTube, which you may or may not have seen. If you haven't, check them out. But today I want to be talking about just my overall opinion on all of these lights that I've tried and whether or not the additional money is something that you should invest in. Is it worth it? Is it necessary? So let's talk about it. So when I first started doing nails, just me, myself, I bought this UV light for 75 bucks at the beauty salon. It works amazingly well, and I promise you to this day, that light still cures, and that was like 13 years ago that I bought it. Plus the bulbs were removable, so it was really awesome, really great. But when I started doing nails professionally, I found out about LED lights. They cure a lot faster, so I went ahead and started using LED. And my first LED light was this Artistic Pro 30, right? Artistic Pro 30. This one's really awesome. It was $260, I believe. It is considered a professional LED light, so it is something that requires, generally, will require a license to purchase. This light is amazing. I had this light for 5 years. It cures amazingly well. It's pretty small, has a little bit of weight to it, so it doesn't move around the table, and has nice little grips at the bottom. It had a removable tray, never really had any issues in curing. Really great. Overall, really great. Lasted me 5 years. Now, as a professional, using a light every day, 5 manicures, 6 manicures every single day for 5 years, that's pretty awesome. So the light definitely lasted a while. But I noticed towards the end that I would have to keep curing because you'd get kind of like bleeding in the coats. It wouldn't cure all the way, so it would streak a little bit, especially when applying the top coat. You would really see that color come off on the brush. So I did have to replace it, and for some reason I couldn't get a light quick enough because it is, professional, and you have to go through different channels, and it would take a couple weeks, and I really needed a light. So from there, I tried the o.p.i. I actually don't have my o.p.i. light because I gave it to my sister to use at home for whenever she's got to do her own nails. But this o.p.i. light, so it is on average $250, $260. You can get it at for the most part, every beauty supply store or online. It is an LED light. It is a professional grade quality. As far as the curing capability, it cures really well. My issues with the o.p.i. light was that tray, which at first you would think that the tray you put your hand in is great because it has all those little grips and the placements for your fingers and the little lift for the thumb for people that have issues in curing the thumb. And you would really think that that would help, but it didn't. That little lift for the thumb gave me issues with people that never had curing issues with them. It was uncomfortable for me, and it was uncomfortable for my clients getting their hands in there, especially my older clients or clients that had, issues with their hands, stiffness, arthritis, anything like that. So that light quickly became my worst nightmare. It was such a pain in the butt. And on top of it, the plastic removable tray had this kind of texture to it, which made it a little difficult to clean. Not impossible, you could, but it's not like an easy wipe. You really need to get in there and scrub to get all of that bacteria and dirt out from inside those grooves of that texture. So yeah, that quickly became the most ridiculous light I've ever used and a complete waste of my money, and I totally hated it. And I only used it for a few months because that's when I really realized that I just want to start trying different lights, check them out, see whether or not they're really worth the money, and whether or not we really need to pay more. And that's when I started sharing everything with you guys. So that o.p.i. light was a bust. But after that, I went to Chiarosky, which is a pretty well-known brand. Here is the Chiarosky. I still have it. This light, I actually got it for $1.99 on Amazon. But through the website, generally it's $250. They actually even have these in a couple different colors, which was really cute. It does have, it's a little bit bigger than the other lights that I've used. It's still pretty lightweight, not that heavy, not too bad. With this, what I loved about this is that it's rechargeable. So I would charge it up overnight, and the whole day I didn't have to plug it in. I'm sure after a few months, of usage, that battery might not last just as long, but you can buy replaceable batteries as well. And it's just such a great added bonus. With this light was also the first one that I realized that you can have a UV and LED capable light, which just means you have higher capacity, lower capacity. And it's great to have the option for those that are concerned with UV rays. LED generally has a significantly lower UV, but you can get more information on the comparison between those two on another video that I've done a couple months ago. Make sure you check that out. But the Chiarosky was really awesome. Very spacious on the inside. It definitely had more lights. It has a removable tray, which is metal, so it was really easy to sanitize. My only downsides to this is number one, the tray, you see it has like these little little feet to kind of hold it up, but there's no grip on it. So that was like super sliding around all over the place. So I had these like sheets of magnets. I just grabbed a couple of them and stick them in the middle. So that way it would kind of grip to the table and it wouldn't slide around. The second thing, which really was like just the biggest thing, is the loudness of this. Let me show you what I'm talking about here. All right, let's plug this in. Let's turn this on. You hear that? Every single time. Can you imagine? Oh my gosh, I have a really big kind of like warehouse space. The echo in here is crazy. And this, it gets annoying. So great lamp, keeping it for travel, absolutely amazing. But man, y'all need a volume on that thing because I don't mind a little beat, but that's a little intense. So after Kiara Sky, or while I was using Kiara Sky, I had someone reach out to me to send me one of their UV LED lights, which number one was super exciting because I finally had people, you know, reaching out wanting me to review. So that was extremely exciting and I was extremely, you know, happy to accept that, but also because this light is an Amazon accessible product and it was only $50. So I really was just excited to be able to start trying some cheaper LED lights and comparing it with all these high-end that I've been only using. So the first one was the Sun UV. I actually don't have that one with me because one of my clients, after years, literally one of my first clients, she moved away. But when my clients move away, they don't go anywhere else to do their nails. They do their own nails, and she's not the first one to do that. So I gave her that light, as well as some other gels and everything that she would need to get taken care of for the next year at least. So I don't have it with me, but it is a great light. That light is only $50, super simple and basic, but it had both UV and LED capability. It was spacious in the inside, no clients complained. I had minimal issues with curing of the thumbs, no noise complaints for sure. I would say that the cable on it was just a little bit short, so anyone that has plugs that are too far away, you might need an extension or anything like that. But overall, the light really worked, and it was the first light that I used, only $50 that, I mean, as far as the quality of the manicure, it's as if I was using a $300 or a $250 light. The manicures were just as shiny, and my clients' length of wear had no impact whatsoever. They wear their manicures 2+ weeks always with no issue. So I was really happy with that. Now that company reached out to me again, wanting to send me another one. Now this light was Ohuhu, which is this one right here. This one was only $20. Now, this light was the last one that I reviewed. I've currently still using only this light in my shop, and it's been like 5 months at least. $20 on Amazon. Let me tell you. Now, it doesn't have a removable tray. It is super lightweight and compact, but it actually has really no issue with it really moving on the table, even though it is super lightweight and has no grips. I'm actually kind of realizing now I don't have any movement issue. But this light right here not only performs exceptional when it comes to curing, it's comfortable, lightweight, it has both UV and LED, which is really great. It's silent. One thing that I do love about the timer on it is that it has a pause. So when you take your hand out, it pauses the time and then continues the time, which is really great. And also this one right here is the least issue I've ever had with thumbs curing. I have clients that used to have issues, you know, that we had to be extra careful with that no longer have an issue. And I mean, it's super minimal, super minimal, which is such a great value because I am busy. I am booked back to back. I don't schedule breaks. And with clients doing art, I get delayed. Doing overlays, I get delayed. Like, I don't want to have to deal with realizing at the last step that thumb didn't cure right. And now I have to go back and spend 15 minutes, you know, fixing everything depending on how severe it is, and if I have to soak the whole thumb off and do it again. So that is extremely valuable to me. And for that reason alone, and the fact that this has been so comfortable for my clients, I'm still using it, and it's still gonna be the one that I use. I mean, it's absolutely amazing. It does not have a removable tray. The tray on this is kind of similar to the o.p.i. It has like that gritty textured effect at the bottom, but honestly, it's $20. Get in there and scrub that. You're gonna be perfectly fine. This light is absolutely amazing. I'm gonna make sure that I link it down below. $20 on Amazon. Actually, I'll look to make sure that it's still $20. Because this was probably like 5-6 months ago that they sent it to me. But in all of this, and I know it was a lot of talking, I hope you guys were able to keep up because I promise this information is like incredibly amazing. But in all that I've been using, I've come to the realization with LED lights, because I already know this with gel products. The cheapest gel products are gonna last you weeks if you do the process right. But with LED lights specifically, I'm really happy to see that $20 and $300 can give you the same quality and reassurance when it comes to curing your manicures and ensuring that it's not going to affect the longevity of the wear. The biggest difference between all of these lights are really conveniences and comfort. So if you are a traveling nail tech, or you have issues with your plugs and cables around your table, I would say that investing the $200 or $250 for Chiarosky is worth it. That light's gonna last you for years. So whether the question of you getting your money's worth is not a question, you will, okay? But if you don't have any of those specific requirements, if you don't need a removable tray, and there's really no need to spend $250, $20 right here or $50 for the Sun UV. I'll make sure to put those links down below. But I'm really happy to report that $20 is gonna give you a professional grade quality manicure, okay? We're all professional here. My clients have the best long lasting manicures and I'm using a $20 LED light to accomplish that. If that doesn't say quality, I don't know what does. But I have more lights to go over. I actually have the pro version of this, which I'm excited to try. Not one of those $250, but I'll be trying out that one. I want to say that I have another light to try, but I'm not sure. There's still so much product. I will be scouring Amazon to see if there's any other. I kind of wanted to buy one on Wish, but they charge you like $20 for shipping. So we'll see if we get a Wish LED light out here, because they got some on there that we can try out. If there's any LED light or curing light that you guys want me to try or check out, please make sure to comment it down below. And that's pretty much it for today. So thank you so much for sticking through it. I hope the information was helpful. Please comment, ask questions. Let me know what you thought about the video. If there's any products out there that you need me to get my hands on and try. And I'll be doing a haul pretty soon because I have a lot of new product that's come in since the beginning of the year. I'm pretty much done testing everything that I started the year off with. So I'll be going through all of that soon. Lots to come. Make sure you're subscribed and notified so you don't miss it. And thank you so much for tuning in. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Bye.